Hello, today I'm going to share with you a very easy recipe, air fryer asparagus that taste amazing, crispy, go well with anything, and honestly so delicious. So we're going to start by getting 1 pound of asparagus. The ends are trimmed, just make sure it's washed. And I'm going to place them on a basket of the air fryer in one layer nicely, that's all. Then I'm going to sprinkle over 2 teaspoons of garlic powder all around the basket. I'm then doing 1 teaspoon of onion powder, once again all around the asparagus in the basket. Then I'm going to sprinkle some salt, that's 1/4 of a teaspoon in total. And then I'm going to get my Parmesan fresh, and I'm just going to grate it finally. Take your time to do it, use a grater of your choice. And I'm going to sprinkle around 2 tablespoons of Parmesan all over the asparagus in total. And finally, we're going to pour over about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Make sure you cover all asparagus as well as you can. And now that we're done with all the sprinkling and pouring, we're going to actually air fry. We're going to add the basket into the air fryer, and I'm going to air fry this asparagus 10 minutes in total at 400 Fahrenheit degrees. And once we're done, we're going to pull them out and serve them with our favorite dish. This is beautiful, cheesy, crispy, delicious side dish that anyone will love, and it's just so easy to make. Honestly, 15 minutes and you're done. So yummy. For more recipes like this, go to allnutritious.com. Please subscribe and like, and get the ingredients on the website. Bye bye.